I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been